African Development Community (Sadc) has called an emergency meeting in Harare from November 16 to 20 to address the post-election violence in Mozambique following the disputed October 9 elections. The summit aims to find solutions to the ongoing crisis, which has raised concerns across the region. Mozambique's election has been marred by controversy, with Sadc chairperson and Zimbabwean President Mnangagwa facing criticism for congratulating the ruling Frelimo party and its leader Daniel Chapo before official results were announced. Mnangagwa declared the elections peaceful despite reports of violence, including the killing of lawyer Alvino Dias and party official Paulo Guambe. Presidential candidate Venancio Mondlane, who fled to South Africa, claims he won the election and narrowly escaped an assassination attempt. "I am convinced I was targeted," Mondlane said. The Sadc summit will also discuss recent elections in Botswana and upcoming polls in Namibia.